What version of you which you have outgrown? मतलब ऐसा वर्जन जो तुम्हारा पास्ट में था जिसको तुमने पास्ट में रख दिया पर अभी भी it shows up sometimes.
तो कैसा है ना, मेरी लाइफ में मतलब ऐसी एक चीज है जो अगेन एंड अगेन इट कम्स अप, लाइक बिफोर, मतलब मेरे साथ कुछ होता था विद एनीवन, तो आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट कीप दैट थिंग इन माय हेड, मतलब होल्ड अप करके रखती थी सब कुछ, मतलब दिल में रखती थी, लाइक नॉट फॉरगेट एनीथिंग. सो अभी आई काइंड ऑफ हैव लेफ्ट दैट थिंग, बट समवेयर कभी-कभी व्हेन इट गेट्स टू मच, तो दैट वर्जन ऑफ मी इट कीप्स ऑन कमिंग इन बिटवीन ऐसा. तो या ये एक मेरी आदत है, मतलब आदत थी जो अभी भी कभी-कभी.
Okay, so since Mike betrayed us in the part 1, so what do you hope didn't get recorded?
I think so. The one which I told we should go back on a date for like in a week.
Okay.
Date हो गया वो तो ज्यादा अच्छा है.
हाँ, वो नहीं हुआ है रिकॉर्ड. पर ठीक है, हमको अभी मिल गया वो चीज.
देखेगा तो.
What's the situation where you know that you are wrong, but you still do it, or you would still continue doing it?
Wrong. ऐसे तो there are lot of things. Sometimes at that time I don't understand that it is wrong. But हाँ, ऐसा है मेरी एक आदत. मैंने अगर कोई झूठ बोला है, so then वो झूठ मेरे लिए सच है.
Something which you enjoy doing, but you will never admit in front of your parents.
Wrong. Like झूठ बोल के बाहर जाना, ऐसे लेट नाइट आउट.
Okay.
But that is so
Very common.
yeah. Some सोचना पड़ रहा है. पार्टीज एंड ऑल, मतलब एट एक्सट्रीम लेवल आई डू, तो वो मुझे थोड़ा कम करना चाहिए. आज तक मैंने लोनावला नहीं देखा. फॉर योर काइंड इन्फॉर्मेशन.
सिर्फ लोनावला.
लोनावला का
There is a fact about Michelle, I would say. कि मिशेल मुंबई के बाहर नहीं गई.
तो भी आप पार्टी आने में.
Okay. So confess something. It can be small or it can be big, which is embarrassing.
मेरे को याद आ गया. तेरे साथ ही हुआ था, पता है? अरे वो बांधने वाला सीन.
बता हमको. We want to know the story behind it. So हम ब्रेक्स पे साथ में जाते थे. वॉशरूम ब्रेक्स भी हम साथ में जाते थे. तो हम बैठे थे एक जगह और हम ऐसी बातें कर रहे थे, मस्ती कर रहे थे, और ऐसा जोक क्रैक किया. इसको मैंने ऐसा मार दिया, तो ये थोड़ा उस साइड चले गई और ऐसा करके इसने she farted. A habit which you secretly hide.
A habit which I secretly hide. Yeah, I have a habit of stalking people.
Okay.
And मतलब मेरे बॉयफ्रेंड के ठीक है. It's very creepy.
Okay, so this can be interesting. We don't want any names or any relation. For one person from your past, or the person who is no longer in your life, if you wanted to say something to them, but you never could.
It could
So this
be
is the time.
taunting message also, right?
Anything.
हाँ, so that message would be कि stop ghosting people in your life and live with the reality. And I think solving problems and speaking to that person would solve the problems instead of running from it, because there's a person in my life.
So think you are talking to that person right now.
भाई ये escape वाला सीन अभी बंद कर दो. तुम्हारे कब कोई रिश्ते बनेंगे will always remain unfinished. So I'm like, just stop escaping and ghosting people. ये रील उस तक पहुंचे तो बहुत, सॉरी ये वीडियो उस तक पहुंचे तो बहुत अच्छा होगा. तो गाइस तुम लोग प्लीज पहुंचा दो कैसे ना कैसे.
Okay, she is promoting. Okay. So now we have a still unfinished round.
Mm-hmm.
No explanation, no motivation. Just one line or one word answer. Okay. What's unfinished and living rent free in your mind?
Unfinished, I'm living rent
In your
my
mind.
career.
Okay.
What part of your life is the messiest?
Yes. Currently, it's my love life and even my work life. I think everything is messy currently. Everything is messed up.
Okay. A habit you swear you will quit, but you will never quit it.
Lying to people. I will
Okay, you will never quit that.
Yes.
Okay. What's one line you tell yourself regularly?
That I can do more better than this.
What's something you need to unlearn?
Unlearn being with toxic people.
What version of you needs to retire already?
Retire. The one who keeps on giving others emotional support. I'm tired of it now. I need emotional support.
What would your ex
Mhm.
say about you right now?
Trouble.
What's your most delusional thought this week?
Let's keep this one unfinished
Okay.
for some reasons.
What do you complain about the most?
Complain. I complain about everything, I think so. Each and everything. About my work, about my day-to-day life, everything. Like everything what is going on. The people, everything.
Okay, so you did well. Since you are figuring a lot of things in your life right now, and there are a lot of things which are unfinished in your life.
So since you said that you are still figuring things out, so how do you live peacefully?
And being unfinished.
How do I live peacefully? Like currently how I'm living with it. So yeah, I mostly don't. Whenever I get those thoughts, I mostly just give myself a bit of motivation, or I talk to friends like you, and then I'm trying to figure out things, how to put things in the right place. So definitely, little by little, I'm trying some. Each and every day, I'm trying to one thing at a time. So I'm sure that after a while, I may figure out few things. Not everything, but few things.
Yes!
So I keep myself motivated by staying around with people who motivate me and who believe in me.
Tell us, since you're working and since you party a lot with people,
So tell us a funny incident जो तुमने encounter किया है अभी तक.
जैसे इधर बैठी हूँ ना तो मुझे कोई याद ही नहीं आ रहा अभी मुझे तेरे बारे में चीजें रिकलेक्ट हो रही है तो जैसे ना मैं एक इंसिडेंट बताती हूँ ये इंसान जो इधर बैठा है
क्या बता रही?
एक बार उसने मुझे वॉशरूम ब्रेक के लिए मतलब हम लोग साथ में गए थे और मैंने बहुत मतलब ठीक है एक भद्दी सी नॉट दैट गुड सो वाज लाइक पोज दे तो मैंने पूछा नहीं था तो इसने ये भाई साहब ने मेरा मुंह लिया है और लिटरली आई हैव दैट वीडियो ये वीडियो भी निकाल रहा है मेरा मुंह रगड़ और भाई जब भी वो रास्ते से जाता है इसने पूरे ऑफिस को बताया कि इधर मैंने मिशेल का मुंह रगड़ा है
So you remember you wrote something on this paper which is unfinished in your life. So I'll give you two options. Either you can read this to me and the one who is watching, or else we can just let it go.
So, as everything is unfinished in your videos, so let's keep this one also unfinished.
Okay. So I guess we will never know what is unfinished in Michelle's life. Okay. So said that you are not in the right place or you are stuck in places which you shouldn't be. So what is the place like you are stuck right now? Is it your love life? Is it your work? Or is it your family?
So, I think I would not answer this one because it would create problems. So let's keep it unfinished for now.